Changing your Snapchat username is a quick and easy process if the feature is available on your account. Whether you want a more professional username, a fresh start, or simply found a better name, Snapchat lets you update it in just a few minutes. Follow the steps below to complete the process without any hassle. Launching the Snapchat app on your smartphone. From the camera screen, tap your Bitmoji or profile picture located in the upper left corner. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap the settings icon in the upper right corner to access your account settings. Scroll down until you find the My Account section, then select Username. Here, you'll see the option labeled Change Username. Tap on it to begin. Snapchat will display a message explaining that changing your username has certain limitations, so read it carefully before moving forward. Enter the new username you want to use. Snapchat will instantly check whether your chosen username is available. If it's already being used by another account, you'll need to try a different variation until you find one that's available. After selecting an available username, tap Next to continue. Depending on your account's security settings, Snapchat may ask you to enter your current password to verify that you're the account owner. Type your password correctly and tap Confirm. Once the verification is complete, Snapchat will process your request and update your username. Your friends, chats, memories, Snap score, and other account information will stay exactly the same. Only your username will change, so your account data remains safe. Before you finish, double check that your new username is exactly what you want, because Snapchat may limit how often you can change it. Choosing a username that's simple, unique, and easy for friends to recognize is always a good idea. Congratulations, you have successfully changed your Snapchat username. Enjoy your updated profile and continue snapping with your friends using your brand new identity.